In this lesson, we're going to look at a way that we can extend a power chord and utilize a technique that is very much a part of Adam Jones's sound when it comes to his rhythm guitar playing. Now, previously, we learned that we can take our humble drop D power chord and just by applying our first finger, now it's possible to really change the sound of that power chord just by adding one finger and adding a chord extension. What we're going to be doing is adding the ninth to the power chord. Now, to do that, you're just going to take your power chord, barring across there at the 5th fret, playing a G5 with your first finger on the bottom 3 strings, but then you're going to add your little finger on the 4th string. So you're adding a note a whole tone higher than the octave root note. So if we play the power chord, you've got root, you've got 5th, and you've got root. That note there is an octave higher than the root note. But then we can raise that by a whole tone and add what's referred to as the 9th interval. And we're going to do that with our little finger. Now, this is a pretty straightforward concept for you to include with your power chord. You're simply playing the power chord and then adding your little finger a whole tone higher than the root note on the D string with your little finger. And it's amazing how just by adding that note, it really changes the sound of the chord, gives it a lot more of a contemporary and progressive flavor. And this is very much associated with Adam's playing style. So what we're going to do is we're just going to move that shape around. We're going to play a single strum on our G5 power chord with the added 9th. We're then going to drop all the way down to the 1st fret with our little finger on the 3rd fret D. And there you're playing an E flat 5 with the added 9th. Back up to our G5 power chord with the added 9th. And then we're going to move up a semitone so that you're playing either a G sharp 5 with the added 9th or an A flat 5 with the added 9th. So we're still sticking with our 6/8 time signature. So you're going to hold the chord for a whole bar. Drop down and then hold the E flat 5 with the add 9 for a whole bar. Back up to the G5 with the added 9. And then to our G sharp 5 or A flat 5 with the added 9. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to play through that chord progression using the power chords with the added 9th with the click track. We're going to play through that twice. So make sure that you keep your fretting hand in a consistent position when you're moving. Whenever I'm moving chords, I always make sure that my thumb is moving with the chord. I don't sort of leave my thumb behind and the hand moves. It's really important to move everything together. Take care with the timing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Change 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just keep that even 6 count pulse. And try to focus your picking hand so that you're only striking the bottom 3 strings. Okay, so now it's your turn to play through our power chord with the 9th extension example.